Hey everyone, I'm Spivey, joined my son,
Jordan Spivey. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our awesome science videos. Also, scan the QR code in the top left corner of the screen to contact us and explore more of our awesome content and material.
In today's video, we will describe and explain the basics of simple electric circuits. So let's do this.
Our learning target for today is, I can describe and explain the basics of simple electric circuits.
Let's talk about the basics of electric circuits. An electric circuit is a closed loop that electric current can flow through. A simple electric circuit contains four basic parts, which include a power source, like a battery, path for electricity to flow, like a wire, resistors or loads, which are things that need electricity to work, like a light bulb or your microwave, and a switch that turns the electric circuit on and off. For example, look at the following circuit diagram. A circuit diagram is a diagram that uses symbols to represent parts of a circuit. The following circuit diagram shows the paths that electricity can flow. The battery is the power source. The light bulb is the resistor or load that needs and slows down the flow of electricity for it to work. The switch on the diagram shows where the circuit can be opened or closed. An open switch opens or turns off a circuit. This stops the flow of electrons, which is what turns off a light in your home. A closed switch closes a circuit, which allows electrons to travel in a full loop, which is what turns on a light in your home. Notice that when the switch is closed, the light bulb turns on, and when the switch is open, the light bulb turns off. Quick check for understanding. Why does the light bulb turn on in the picture on the left, and why does the light bulb turn off in the picture on the right? Take 2 minutes to write your genius responses and be prepared to share out all of your answers.
Now that we talked about the basics, let's explore the two types of circuits, which are series and parallel circuits. Let's start with a series circuit. A circuit that consists of one loop of wire is called a series circuit. You can see a sample series circuit in the following diagram. Notice that if a series circuit is interrupted at any point in a single loop, no current can flow through the circuit and no devices in the circuit will work. This is because the path of electric current to flow has been disconnected. It's almost like raising a bridge, which prevents cars from traveling across that same bridge. In the series circuit diagram, if one light bulb burns out, the other light bulb won't work because it won't receive any electric current because the flow of electricity has been disconnected. Series circuits are commonly used in flashlights and other Christmas lights. Now let's move on to parallel circuits.
A circuit that has two or more loops is called a parallel circuit. An example of a simple parallel circuit is shown in the following diagram. If one loop of a parallel circuit is interrupted, current can still flow through the other loop. In the following parallel circuit diagram, if one light bulb burns out, the other light bulb will still work because current can bypass or move past the burnt out bulb. The wiring in a house consists of parallel circuits. We can tell that a house is wired in parallel because when you turn off one light, all the other lights do not turn off. Quick check for understanding. What are two major differences between series and parallel circuits? Take 1 minute to think, pair, and share out all of your intelligent responses. You got this.
In summary, a simple electric current contains four basic parts, which include a power source, which is a battery, path for electricity to flow, which is a wire, resistors or loads, which are things that need electricity to work, like a light bulb, and a switch that turns the electricity on and off. A current that consists of one loop is called a series circuit. If this single loop is interrupted at any point, no current can flow through the circuit and the resistors or loads turn off. A current that consists of two or more loops is called a parallel circuit. If one loop of a parallel circuit is interrupted, current can still flow through the other loop, which allows the other resistors or loads to stay on.
And that's our video for today. Now let's test your knowledge to see how proficient you are with describing and explaining the basics of simple electric circuits by taking our video quiz.
Use your electronic device to scan the QR code at the top right of the screen, or you can click the link in the description box below the video to take the quiz.
Remember, 80% or higher for proficiency. Record your results on your proficiency sheet, and if you don't get it the first time, you better keep going because it's not over until you win.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon, and also scan the QR code to contact us and explore more of our awesome content and material.
Peace and have a positive, productive day.
And if you don't